Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how you can cancel your customer's subscription on ThriveCart. Well, to cancel a customer's subscription on ThriveCart, sign into your account and click on Transactions tab. Here you can search and go to customer's profile using both the Transactions and Subscriptions tab. So go to the Subscriptions tab and search the customer either by his name or email ID after changing this option to all time. And then click on search. Here, to cancel the customer's subscription, just click on manage drop down and then click on cancel. On the other hand, go to the Transactions tab and search the customer either by his name or email ID and then click on search after changing the other options accordingly. It will show you the history of your customer's transaction, and to get to the customer's profile, just click on more button of any transaction. Here just click on manage and it will give you two options to choose from. Either you can cancel the subscription entirely or you can pause it indefinitely or temporarily. Since I want to cancel the subscription entirely, I will keep the first option selected and then click on go. It will reconfirm whether you really want to cancel the subscription permanently, because once you cancel it, it won't be reversed. Then click on cancel subscription if you really want to, and then ThriveCart will cancel the subscription of this customer. And this is how you can cancel the subscription of your customers on ThriveCart. And if you have stayed this far, please consider supporting by liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.